guys, welcome back to Eat Green Delights Kitchen. Today we're going to learn something very easy, very simple. I'm going to make a dish that it's combined with, this is pretty much how Swiss chard looks like. You can go in any grocery store and you can get it like that. There is the red Swiss chard, or we have even the green Swiss chard. When I clean the Swiss chard, I cut the tip from the top, and then it usually comes out like this. Just a little bit of a tip, and then you go down and pretty much your job is done. I'm gonna cut those, okay? I'm gonna put it in boil water, and it's gonna take just a few minutes to cook this this vegetable. After it's cooked, you just throw it in a cold water, and so that it will shock the cooking process, and the leaves, they're gonna be still beautiful and green, and they are not gonna come dark, okay? Okay guys, now that we finished to boil the Swiss chard, we blanched the vegetable in the cold water. I'm gonna let it drain a little bit because there is excessive water, and I don't want any water in my pan. I already prepared a pan with a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of a butter, and I did pre-boil one potato. It's up to you, depend how many people you guys are in your family. We are just 2 people, so I think 1 potato for us, it's fine. Let's move to the next step. I'm going to show you what to do, okay? Okay guys, now it's time to try and see how it came out. This is very good. I wish you guys were here because it's very delicious. The garlic, because I put it at the last minute. Next time we're gonna definitely learn something different. Subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends and family. Drop a like. Hit the notification button and just leave a comment. Encourage me to make much more videos, okay? I'll see you next time, okay? Bye.